Hi! Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. I'm also very busy for you people that I'm doing creating many more videos and you people are enjoying and you're sharing your comments and from which city you're watching the videos. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. And today I came for shopping actually. Today I want to take you to the Cotton Fancy and today at present I'm in the Kesaria shop. Always I'm going to show you, I was showing you in the go down warehouse where multiple varieties, but it's coming from warehouse to shop. That point you have to keep in mind. Today I'm going to show you and I'm going to take you to the exactly the cotton counter with the fancy varieties. I just came to cotton. If I talk about cotton sarees, cotton is always evergreen demanded for the 365 days collections and the summer season, if I talk about the summer, the March, which starts from the February mid and the Ramzan, Easter, the festival season, it goes till June, July. If I talk about south weather, always till October, we have no rain over there. If I talk especially for Tamil Nadu, the Karnataka border. So today I'm going to show you the fancy printed sarees as well as work sarees. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, retailers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs. If you want to run a boutique, either any segment you take, contact Kesaria Manufacturers. So let's enjoy these collections by seeing some samples over here. Such a great varieties. Today I'm going to show you something around 230 rupees to approximately 1000 to 900 rupees. I'm not mentioned here the exact prices are because many retailers are doing a business with us. If you want to know the exact price, take a screenshot, numbers are scrolling on the screen, just call, video call purchase, online sales team is there. So let's have a look of the quickly, the color printed sarees, the Gadwal cotton, Khadi cotton, linen cotton, printed border, very more varieties. Such a beautiful lavender garden base with the sequence work with the printed. If I see the code is itself, the says like sequence digital is the code. Very beautiful, very pretty with the mini border with the baby pinkish with the floral base border. This is one of the pattern. Next pattern, such a beautiful one of the shade of the dark velvet shade with the floral base. Ananya is the code, stylish floral print. In this also you have a color combination. Monsoon cut border, silver jerry, family man is the code. It goes like a khadi cotton or the beautiful cotton based. The Gadwal cotton based, you have a silver jerry, golden jerry. This is also one more pattern. If I talk about the mini butta, the covered dark contrasted golden yellow. This is a colorful, which is a Rajasthani color pattern. In this Rajasthani color pattern, we have a Gadwal cotton with the golden border. This sarees also you can purchase. The Kala Sun Mayuri BP is the code. I'm mentioning every code you can take by doing online purchase. You can mention the code and you can purchase. If I talk about the digital with the sequence based, it's not a sequence, but you feel it's a sequence. The blue, royal blue color with the one of the matte cookies color combination border. Cotton Gadwal is the code. Very pretty, especially for the working women. They need sequins with the printed all more varieties. This is also nowadays the unique painting pattern varieties also we have. It's a family man is the code. The dark maroon shade, one of the light creamish. Patola is evergreen, one of the famous color from the Orissa if I talk about. These are all the checks pattern, the bottle green with the magenta. And if I talk about the khadi cotton with the silver jerry with the royal blue mini border with the floral running based of the bold printed, such a pretty color combination which is a Raj Guru Pallu is the code. I have no time to drag the video and you people also very busy by your work. That's why I'm just quickly sharing the samples. So this is the pattern. I love this collection. These collections easily absorb the sweat in the summer season. You can share with your family, friends, relatives, with everyone. This is a one more pattern. If I talk about some people like I need only white, I demand for the white, right? White also we have a manufacturers which is a beautiful color combination with a peacock color with a pinkish with the silver jerry border, and this is a code called Shabana is the code. Only white based people, the aged people, the older ladies also they expect these kind of color combinations. You can have a look. And next pattern which I talk about the lavender shade with the dark purple shade with a mini golden border. Something unique, very simple but very attractive. The beautiful leaf pattern. This is a Dhruvika collections, the mini golden border with the baby pink, the lavender shade, the color combination, the production, the manufacturers, how they do. If I talk about the production, they go in the system, the color combination, they zigzag, they just do, then the one print goes in the machine, then it will come to the market, then the color combinations. There is a huge process in the behind the saree, right? So next pattern, beautiful bold floral base, which is a gardenery pattern with a mehendi green color shade of the one of the Rama green. This is also you can purchase. Brasu, Brasu is evergreen in the south, especially in Tamil Nadu. And this is a beautiful dark yellow shade with one of the peach pink, the cotton KTC cotton brasu with blouse. If I talk about the cotton brasu with blouse with almost 630 meters is the sarees. I've just showed you all the printed varieties. Now we'll come to the work sarees. Work sarees, I have a settle color, dark colors in this. Let's have one of the light mehendi green shade. See here, very attractive, very pretty. This is a beautiful, the light mild thread work has been done over here. This is a very pretty color. So there is a golden come lighter settle fancy tassels has been given. This is Roop Viva BP is the code. In this also we have a pattern. Rapier cotton, rapier linen cotton, khadi cotton, all these exclusive varieties. This is also very crunchy. I can see the crush base. See, you can see the crush sound, you can feel it. This is a mild sequence work and the piping work of the Rama green. This is Akira is the code. And I have a golden jerry with a golden border with a dark orange color. I have an ocean blue color with a white color, running thread work with a mini floral base. Miss Payal BP, such a beautiful classy silver jerry. And I have one of the yellow with one of the mini butta thread work, which is Roop Ramola BP. All the color charts you can purchase. Very beautiful cookies color, the biscuit color, matte look border, which is a Gadwal based cotton with the border has been highlighted. This also which is Roop Shruti. And the Kota Patti work, which is a mud based dark brownish shade with the sequence Ari work. Beautiful, huh? This is a royal look of this heavy grand collections with the Kota Patti, which is Kamini is the code. Heavy fancy tassels, all kind of exclusive, many more varieties. It's a low price. I can say low price. It's a factory price, huh? Factory price, either cotton saree, cotton fancy work saree, all at one place. You can also enjoy. Today I've showed you around 230 rupees to 1000 rupees. I've showed you many more season varieties. Keep enjoying these collections quickly before getting out of stock. Add into your business to make your customers happy. No quality compromise, no quantity compromise. So video calling purchase is there, airport is there, trains are there. You can easily travel. If you are planning to summer tour this year, Diamond City, very familiar, Surat, and very familiar for the textile market. Just have a look, enjoy with your family, have some shopping. If you have to invest something, do on the clothing business. So hope you enjoy these collections of cotton fancy sarees. Next video will come up with new more collections with business information videos. Don't forget from which city you're watching the video and following me. Subscribe the channel. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Let me know in the comment box. Until then, keep supporting me. Subscribe the channel for the regular updates. Let's meet in another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.